We found 10 different socket organizers to review for you to help you keep your workshop more organized. We'll go over the pros and cons of each as well as any features they offer. We've also included a short buyer's guide, where we look at what a socket organizer is, and how to choose one. There are many products available to choose keyword, each with different characteristics, benefits and price, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best keyword from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Aries 70233 Magnetic Socket Organizer. Best overall. The Aries 70233 Magnetic Socket Organizer is our pick, or the best overall socket organizer. It uses a durable high-impact plastic construction that can take plenty of abuse without warping, cracking, or deforming. The rubberized bottom helps protect the edges of the sockets while you store them in the socket organizer. It fits standard and deep 1/4 inch metric sockets. A strong magnet keeps the sockets in place while you store them. Like the Aries 70233 organizer, and no problem using it to store our sockets. The only downside is that it only holds metric sockets, and we tend to use imperial more often. Despite this, we think this is the best socket organizer available today. This magnetic socket holder is designed to securely store both deep and shallow 1/4 inch drive metric sockets, while a soft, rubberized covering over the bottom of the tray prevents damage to finished surfaces. Number 2. OEMTOOLS 6-piece socket organizer. The OEMTOOLS 6-piece socket organizer is another massive organizer that can hold up to 172 sockets. The 6-piece set holds metric and imperial sizes along with shallow and deep sockets. It's color-coded green and black, and each piece has the size marked on its peg, so you can quickly find the tool you need and which you need to purchase. There's room for 1/4 and 1/2 inch sockets, and the thick ABS base keeps the sockets from falling over. When reviewing the OEMTOOLS, we noticed that a few of our sockets wouldn't fit on their peg, and we wish they locked down to prevent the sockets from falling off if it tipped over. We also noticed the pegs, especially the longer and thinner ones, are quite brittle and easy to break. We broke one almost immediately when we were first adding our sockets. Number 3. Tecton 91805 Socket Holder Premium Choice. The Tecton 91805 Socket Holder is our premium choice socket organizer. This 3-piece organizer can store all of your 1/4 and 1/2 inch sockets in both metric and imperial sizes. It features a twist-lock design that keeps your sockets in place while storing them, even if you keep them in a drawer toolbox. There are no markings on the organizer, but you can mark them with the included stickers, so you can quickly find the most important sockets. You can also add convenient side mounts that will hold your wrenches. We enjoyed using the Tecton 91805 and took advantage of the convenient mounting hole to install it on our workshop wall. It held the bits firmly and none ever fell off. The only downside is that there weren't enough spots for sockets. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 22233 Socket Tray Organizer. The OEMTOOLS 22233 Socket Tray Organizer is a large organizer that features 6 pieces and can hold up to 170 sockets in both imperial and metric sizes. It can store 1/4 and 1/2 inch sockets on a durable ABS plastic that's resistant to gasoline and oil. The extended base is easy to hold and transport, and it also provides more stability to the sockets so they don't tip over. The posts are all marked, so it's easy to select the socket you need and see which ones are missing. It accepts deep and shallow sockets. The downside we experienced while using the OEMTOOLS 22233 was that some sockets wouldn't fit on their post. We also wish they locked in place so we could mount it on a wall or put it in a drawer. Number 5. Ernst Manufacturing 8415 Socket Organizer. The Ernst Manufacturing 8415 Socket Organizer is an inch socket organizer that can hold up to 14 sockets. You can place metric or imperial sockets on it, and it includes 96 stickers, so that you can mark it with the proper sizes. The sockets twist lock in place, so they won't fall off if you store them in a drawer, and it has a convenient hole in one end to hang it on the wall, which works best in our workshop. It uses a durable ABS plastic that feels durable and resists staining, and is available in red, blue, and black to fit with any color scheme. The biggest downside to the Ernst Manufacturing 8415 is that it can only hold inch sockets, so you will need to make additional purchases to accommodate other sizes. Some of the sockets were also quite difficult to twist on, and we fear it may wear out after some use. 13-inch socket organizer with 14 3/8 inch twist lock clips.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.